Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm back with the 13Bs rotary engines. So this one right here, they're both of them gonna go for a rebuild, but on this one, this rx8, I'm gonna go on Weber, the side Weber carburetor. So this one is gonna be PP or semi P with 13B, and it's gonna go with the Weber. It's gonna be carb, so this is rx8. So all the accessories in here, everything's for grabs. If anyone needs something out there, the tensioner, sensor, alternator, brackets, OMP with lines. Well, actually I'll keep that one because some guy out there, I have like 2 or 3 OMPs, but I always need those. But one guy right there, Ashton Spears, I think that's his name. Sorry if I'm not saying your name right. You have my number. Text me. You still need the OMP. I know you need housings and irons. So most likely gonna come from that one, cause that one is the stick shift 6 port. That's what you need. Cause Atkins fucked up on your apex seals. We already know his quality is going down. That's why I don't use his apex seals anymore. But anyway, going back, all the accessories you guys see in here is for grabs. Anyone need something out there? All you have to do cover shipping. You need the exhaust, you need the flywheel, you need the oil filter housing, the engine mounts, the lower intake, the intake, aluminum, injectors, you name it. It even comes with the harness. So this one is gonna go carb. It's gonna be a carburetor, the side drive, the most likely Mikuni or Weber. So yeah, all the accessories are gonna be gone. So let me know if anyone needs something. Leave a comment below, or if for fastest response, add me on Instagram. I have a new Instagram. I think I only have like 10 followers right there, but it's mainly rotary people, I guess. So if anyone needs something from this engine, parts are free. Only thing I have to cover is the shipping. Add me 13B_butcher. 13B_butcher. I'll put the name on the video also, or maybe in the description, so you guys can go and follow it. And whatever accessory you guys need from this one, it's free to take. Just add me on Instagram, message me there, so I can get your info, and then the only thing I have to do, cover shipping. Again, irons, housings, e-shop, I'm gonna keep that one because I'm rebuilding this engine. I'm gonna go semi P or PP. I don't know what the guy wants, but all the accessories are good to go. They're free for anyone who wants it. The keg is gonna stay for me. The rest is free to go to a new home. And then that one is gonna be for most likely for Mr. Spears. Spins, and you can hear some compression on it. This one's running, so I'm sure the internals are good. And also on this one, let's see this one. So okay, so you guys there have it. I'm back with the rotary. Sorry I've been gone, been doing LS engines, my BMW, my bike over there. So yeah, that truck is a piñata. Thanks for watching.